ঘুমাইছে
This is a Samsung Android phone, which suddenly goes off while watching YouTube videos with 69% battery life showing on it and does not turn on. I have repeatedly tried to turn it on by pressing and holding the power button for 30 seconds. I also tried to turn it on by pressing the power button along with the volume up and down key, but everything failed.
ঠেলি দিব লাগিব
As this mobile is old, I use this mobile only to listen to music from YouTube, website and radio, using the Bluetooth to connect to my speakers. I decided to open the Samsung mobile instead of throwing it away. I do not have any kind of instrument to open this mobile, so I am going to use a card, which is almost hard enough, like a debit card. Please do not try it on your new phone, as it may get damaged. To open the mobile back cover, I am sharpening the card a little bit, using a paper cutting knife. Please do remember, before opening the back cover, one have to take out the memory and SIM card by inserting the pin provided with the mobile. Now press hard with the card, just above the gap which is provided on the side of the mobile, to insert the memory and SIM card. On pressing, a small gap can be made. Now keep on pressing, and do it on all the side, after inserting the card.
এবাৰ গ'লে গুচি যাব এবাৰ গ'লে গুচি যাব চাৰিব নহয় ন বহি যাব আকৌ
মোবাইলটো খুলিব পাৰিব
নাই বেছি ভিতৰলৈকে দিব নোৱাৰে না ইকুইপমেণ্ট কিবা ভাঙি গ'লে গ'ল আৰু সৰু সৰু না হেৰিবোৰ এই দেখিছেনে চুইচ টুইচবোৰ ভয় লাগি দিব
এতিয়া তুমি বেয়া বস্তু
এনেকৈ বোলে টানি দিলোঁ ওপৰত চুইচ আহি
তুমি বেয়া বস্তু থৈ কি কৰিবা মোক
নাই নাই যদি অন হৈ যায় এইটো খোলাৰ পিছত আপুনি কৈ আছে হ'বও পাৰে ক'ব নোৱাৰি আপোনাৰ গান থাকে এইবিলাকত বেটাৰী
Slowly, we can open the mobile back cover using a card and see inside if something is broken or loose. After opening the back cover, I am unscrewing all the screw to see the inside.
좀 হাতখন আগত আহি যাও
Disconnecting all the connection and reconnecting all the connection. After doing all this, let's see if the mobile can be turned on. It does the job, just with the card, with no scratch mark on the mobile. While opening it,